What's up guys, so today we're gonna be opening package. It's from Flash Express. Let's open it up. I'm very excited to open this up, that I can't just wait anymore. This is a microphone. Then it has the cables, and then here's the mic. And now, now let's test it out. Okay, so here we go. I have the speaker right here. And, it's still on. It's still on off. So there's the how do you put this? Hello? 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 Mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test. Hello? Mic test, mic test. It's working. Hello? Hello? It's working. It's working, guys. It's working. Oh my gosh. It's working. Hello? Hello? It's too loud. Hello? 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 What's making that sound? I don't want that. Hello? 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 Hindi na. Oh. It's not that loud. So there we go, guys. This is my order. Thumbnail. Okay, there we go. That's my package. Oh wait, I'm actually waiting for the other one. So I'll see you there. What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be opening another package. So this is what I've been waiting for. Open it up. John is scared right now, but doesn't matter because we already have it. It's heavy. Oh my gosh. And this is the first up we have is the little holder. And then this one I think is that it. Yep, that's it. Now this is it. And here we go. Let's set it up. Okay, so I just decided to stand up because I'm very tired. Okay guys, so it's right here. Oh my gosh, it's almost It's taller than me. It's taller than me. So, yes, I'm put this on. So, oh my gosh, guys, it really fits. Like it was meant to be fit. And now there she is. I don't know if I should give it a try.